Alright guys, just letting you know I got the machine in the garage unloaded. It is on and working. I got to do a lot of cleaning and adjustments, but as you can see, this thing's in really awesome shape. As you can see, it's the original Area 51 with the hard drive still working. It is a Neotech monitor, 25-inch with a Phillips tube. Probably going to make it a Maximum Force Area 51 combo, because I love both those games. The only problem is the solder on this side, somebody screwed up, but no big deal. I already had to fix some wood right there. I'm going to have to repaint this, redo the coin doors, put some locks and some coin mechs. The guns I haven't even tested out, but I put credits in it. Let's see if it still works good.
Come on! Stay low!
Make sure it's good. Guns seem pretty accurate.
Reload. Reload. We copy.
I still have this game on my Sega Saturn. Classic. Yeah, whatever.
Clear, Caterson.
As you can see, it works. Stay tuned for more.